Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, I want to introduce you to my video series where I plan to show you how to make money online. Okay, I plan to show you the real stuff, the cold hard truth, not those nonsense, those shenanigans people are doing online, wasting your time, distracting you from the real stuff. I want to show you how to truly build a profitable and successful online business from scratch. Okay, I've been doing online business since 2005, and for 5 years I struggled without making a dime. I made my first $1.62 in the year 2010, and ever since that time I've made millions of naira and thousands of dollars online, and I'm also trained thousands of people all across the globe to start their own online business. So when it comes to making money online, I'm one of the best persons to teach you and guide you. So I have decided to create a video series, all right, that will teach you how to make money online in Nigeria and anywhere you are in the world. All right, I'll be teaching you how to start a profitable freelancing business. I'll be teaching you how to start an e-commerce business. I'll teach you information marketing. I'll teach you affiliate marketing. I might even teach you blogging and show you the things you need to make money online. All right, so before we start the first video, let me add this to it. Now, in your quest to try to make money online, ensure you are consistent. Don't start affiliate marketing today and in the next 30 days you have dropped it and start freelancing. You will never succeed like that. You will continue to run in cycles. I'm telling you this, guys, because I have the experience. This singular mistake plagued me for years or disturbed me for years. All right, I kept running in cycles and I wasn't achieving anything noteworthy. But when I decided to focus on a particular niche, that is when I started to see results. So it is, excuse me please, excuse me, it is the same thing I want you to learn and achieve for yourself. As you can see, I'm not trying to show you all those props and all those shenanigans. I just want to take my phone and record and show you real stuff that will change your life. Okay, so let's get started and see you in the first video in the series. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. I'm always there to respond to you and ensure you succeed with your online business journey. See you on the inside, guys. One love and peace. Boom. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in Nigeria. All right, so this is going to be a short and powerful video for you to know how to make money online in Nigeria. So I plan to make this a series. Okay, so this is going to be the first video in the series of my playlist of how to make money online in Nigeria. See, I've been doing online business and making money online since 2010. I actually started 5 years before that time, but I made my first $1.62 online in the year 2010. Okay, so ever since that time, I've gone on to make millions of naira and thousands of dollars online. I've also trained thousands of people all across the globe to start and grow their own online business. All right, so this video will show you how to make money online in Nigeria. So as you can see, this is one of my Fiverr accounts. If I go ahead and reload this page now, you see I just want to show you proof so you know who you are dealing with. All right, so this is over 10,000 US dollars made in this account. If I go to another account now, you see, okay, this is my Paystack dashboard. As you can see, 2.7 million naira made on Paystack. Then this one, $7,000 made. All right, I've made more than 60,000 US dollars on Fiverr alone. There are other freelancing platforms that I've made money with. All right, so but this I'm just showing you a few of my Fiverr accounts. I can't show you everything, all right? So it is left for you to believe or not. But my own is to teach you what to do to achieve the kind of result you are looking for. Okay, so let's get started. So now this video is all about showing you what it takes to make money online. All right, so many confusion, so many scams, so many lies online about making money online in Nigeria. And today I want to show you the very first thing you need to know if you are ever going to make money online. Okay, I want to show you the very first thing you need to know. So now, what do you need to make money online? Simple. People are online, not ghosts or non-living things. Real human beings are online. Just like the same human beings online are the same human beings offline. And how can you get money from them? Simple. You have to offer them value. All right. And how do you offer them value? Simple. In form of digital product, physical products, or services. That is to say, you have to sell something for money. Either you sell your time, you sell your knowledge, or you sell your skills. That is what you need to know to make money online. And talking about digital products, it can be ebooks, it can be video courses, it can be audio courses. I've made millions of naira online selling courses online, and I even have a platform where I connect students with top and verified experts. All right, so I have a platform where people come to list their courses and students come to buy courses. As you can see, this is my platform, SabiMentors.com. Okay, you can even come here to take courses on funnel design, marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, graphic design, video editing, and lots more. Okay, so on this platform, I sell my skills in form of digital products. That is ebooks, and video courses. Okay, so if you want to make money online, look for what you can sell for someone to be willing enough to give you their money. All right, since you are not with a gun and you cannot forcefully take money from people, if you do that, you will get yourself into trouble. So the only way left for you is to sell something. All right, you can either sell a physical product, you can sell a digital product, or you sell your time in form of services. Okay, so like I said, for digital products, you can sell ebooks, you can sell video courses. Okay, you can even sell audiobooks, you can sell templates, graphic design templates, sales funnel template, any kind of template, Canva template. I've sold templates as well. So if I show you, let me show you this one now. You see, this is where I was selling some set of e-commerce template. All right, e-commerce funnel template. So all I did was to design the sales funnels and package them, then start to sell. So people who don't have time to design, who don't have the skill, the experience I have when it comes to designing sales funnels, they come and they buy my funnel template and use for their business. Okay, this was the page I was using to sell the template. Then you can sell lots of things online. You can even sell articles, like you package them together and sell. People are willing to buy it. All right. So that is for digital product. For physical product, you can sell anything at all. I believe you have seen online where people sell things. They sell physical product. They sell things like handbags, shoes, wristwatches, anything at all. They sell them online. So if you want to make money online in Nigeria, you have to sell something. Then um, the next way to make money online is to sell a service. Okay, you can sell a service. There are different things you can sell online. There are different services you can sell online. You can sell writing service, graphic design service, um, graphic design service. You can sell video editing service. You can sell lots and lots of things. You get. So let me log in. Let me show you Fiverr and show you how people make money online. Okay, so this is one platform where you can sell your services. All right, don't worry. In the next set of videos, I'll be breaking this down step by step, breaking the topic down step by step for you. All right, I'll break freelancing down for you. I'll show you everything you need to do to get started. I'll break digital products for you, that is information marketing for you. I'll break e-commerce for you. I'll break it down for you and show you how you can start these businesses and succeed with them. Okay, I've done almost any form of online business you can think of on the internet. Okay, I'm the best person to show you what to do. Listen to me and stop listening to all those fake online content creators that confuses you, makes you lose focus, shows you different form of things that doesn't make sense. All right, if you want to make money online, you have to focus on what I'm telling you. You have to focus on selling something, that a product or a service. All right, that is the only way you can make money online. So let's continue. So this is Fiverr. As you can see, people on this platform, people sell various services. All right, you can sell content writing, graphic design, video editing, video animation, sales funnel design, website design, lots and lots of things online. So that is freelancing and that is selling a service. As you can see already, I made over $10,000 with this account already. In my other account, you saw over $7,000. I have made more than 60,000 US dollars since I've been doing freelancing. That is since 2011. All right, I actually broke through in 2014. I think 2013, 14. Okay, so that is how you make money online. Then, as a bonus, I want to give you a bonus. What should I use to give you a bonus now? Let me see. Okay, let me see. Let me show you something so you know. Let me see if I'll see that. Now I want to show you something. Okay, I like to show you something from what I've done. Let me click on this and show you something. Okay, good. Now I want to give you a bonus on one other way to make money online. You can make money online by setting up a blog or a website, all right, and monetize it with advertising platforms. All right, there are different ad platforms. The popular one is Google AdSense. So Google AdSense. Now, what this does is you can sign up on this platform and link it to your website. And when people come to your website and they click on your advert, you are going to get paid. All right. So there are many blogs online that make money from just this particular online money making method alone. Right, as you can see, so as you can see, these are ads. As you can see, these are ads. If anybody click on this ad now, I'll get paid. I have other blogs that gives me money every day online. So you can set up blogs. All right, you can set up blogs and make money from your blog. So that is the bonus I wanted to add to this video on how to make money online in Nigeria. As you can see, this is a blog session, although I turned off a lot of things for now, because all this place I turned off a lot of things. Why is this one saying why is it saying it does not exist? Well, it's fine, I'll fix that. So that is how you make money online. So I'm going to link the other videos below this video, so you go ahead and watch the other videos so that you have the knowledge on how to make money online in Nigeria. I'll be talking on freelancing, information marketing, e-commerce, blogging, and a whole lot of other things to help you make money online in Nigeria. I hope this video was helpful enough for you, and if you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we can take our discussion further to help you with your online business and internet marketing journey. All right, feel free to subscribe to my channel and let's grow together, guys. One love and peace out.